Hey guys, I'm Vishwa Mehta and I'm back with a new video after a very long time. So today I'm going to show you how to solve this Pyraminx cube. So without further delay, let's get started. So the basics of the cube. So these four pieces, these are called the tip pieces or the point pieces. These blue colored pieces, these are called the edge pieces. These double colored blue color pieces, these are called the edge pieces. And these yellow pieces are called the center pieces. They remain stationary, they never move. And the notations of the cube, so this is R and this is R prime, this is L and this is L prime, and this is U and this is U prime. So let's get started with solving the cube. So now I have jumbled the cube, and the first step to solve the cube are the tip or the point pieces. We have to match the tip pieces. So let's start with matching the tip pieces. You have to match the tip pieces like these. This piece is matched, the red with the red, yellow with yellow, and blue with blue. So I take this tip piece. I have to match blue, yellow and green tip piece. So I just rotate it and see we have matched tip piece. Now this tip piece, so I rotate it, but it is not matched, so I rotate it once again and see it is matched. And we match this tip piece also, so I rotate it and this is also matched. Now the center pieces, so we have to choose a color with which you start solving the cube. So I am choosing the blue color. You can take any other color like the green color, the yellow color, the red color, but I prefer the blue color. So you have to look with the side having a blue center piece. So I have a blue center piece on this side. I have to check this if this is the blue side. So I rotate this right side to check if a blue piece pops out here. And see, a blue piece pops out here. Now you have to check whether a blue piece pops out on the left side also. So rotate this, but a blue piece does not pops out, so this is not the blue side. So we have to look for the remaining blue center piece. So here it is. So we rotate this right side to check if the blue center piece pops out. It does. And now the left side, and the blue center piece pops out. So this is the blue side as we get all the three blue center pieces. And now we have matched the tip pieces also. So the next step is to solve the edges. So after the tip pieces and the edge center pieces, we have to solve the edge pieces. So first you have to look for the three blue edge pieces. So these are the three blue edge pieces. Now we have to place this blue and green edge piece here, the blue and yellow edge piece at this place, and the blue and red edge piece at this place. So I start with the blue and yellow edge piece. So first you have to bring this edge piece on the yellow side. This is the yellow side, this is the green side, and this is the red side. So I bring the blue and yellow edge piece on the yellow side. See, this is on the yellow side, as the three yellow pieces are on the right side, and we have to place it here. So we perform the algorithm L prime U L. See, we have matched the blue and yellow edge piece. Now the blue and green edge piece. So first you have to bring this on the green side. So I rotate it, and we have got the three green edge pieces on the left side. We have to perform the algorithm R U prime R prime, and see, we have solved the green edge piece also. Now the last edge piece, the blue and red edge piece. So we have to rotate it towards the red side, and as it is towards the right, the three red pieces are on the right side. We have to perform the algorithm L prime U L, and see, we have formed the edge pieces and the first layer of the Pyraminx cube is solved. After solving the edges, we have to match the center pieces of the remaining 3 sides. So we have to match this green, red and yellow centerpiece with their respective colors. So we rotate it to see if it matches with their colors, and see, now we have matched the green, red and yellow centerpieces with their colors. Now we have to take any other color leaving blue and solve that color so that we get the full cube. So I am taking the yellow color, and now we have to solve the yellow color. So we have to just solve the edges as the remaining tip and center pieces are already matched. So I have to bring the yellow and green edge piece on the green side. So as it is on the left side, you have to perform the algorithm R, U prime, R prime. And now the yellow and red edge piece. So we bring, as it is already on the red side and it is on the right, so we have to perform the algorithm L prime, U, L, and we just rotate it, and see, we have solved the full Pyraminx cube. So I hope you would have learned how to solve this cube from the video. Please do like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.